The watching a video on it stops.
Attention women who have been implanted with a pelvic mesh device, commonly called a bladder sling.
Fishing.
Or are scheduled to have a surgery to repair the mesh device. You may be entitled to a significant cash award. The FDA has warned that these devices may cause pain, swelling, infections, loss of bladder control, and other
Oh, I got one.
injuries. In some cases, the device may puncture nearby organs, leading to multiple replacement and correction surgeries. Recently, a South Dakota woman was awarded $11.1 million for her pain and suffering. To find out if you may have a case, call the Rely On Group today for a free consultation. You don't owe us a penny unless we are successful. If you or a loved one have had complications with an implanted pelvic mesh device or bladder sling, call the Rely On Group at 1-800-796-1138. That's 1-800-796-1138.
Fishing.
Garnering enough video evidence confirming the suspect's deviance, accused recalls Beth to examine the proof. Concerned with the confirmation of condemnation, Beth constructs a cocoon of emotional protection
Whoa!
of the truth. First thing I want to say is thank you for coming out here tonight. I have some information to show you. We are right behind the location that they're at. It'll all make sense in a second. But let me show you. On this day of our investigation, we're outside of your home. So we see Pierce come out, he walks over to his truck, gets in, and he leaves. Our detectives follow him,
Whoa.
he arrives at a restaurant.
Fishing.
Later, unknown vehicle arrives and the female emerges.
Fishing. Waiting to catch a catfish. Oh, still fishing. Hey, there's me. Yay! Fishing. Fishing. Fishing.
They embrace for a hug. She jumps on him, swings her legs around his hips. They kiss. He grabs his base. They get in the truck and leave. They arrive at a restaurant, walk in holding hands, and share a meal together. As the peaceful meal continues, it's interrupted by a phone call. What you're about to hear is the audio from that phone call.
Fishing.
What are you doing? Well, we need to make some plans. I need some of your time. I know you're busy and you've got the band. Well, I'm getting a little worried. I've been seeing things and hearing things. I swear to God, if I catch you doing anything, I will fight your boss. I'm not doing anything. I love you. I love you. Bye.
I mean, is there any fine line of communication between you two? Like,
There used to be.
there used to be.
Apparently now there's not.
Okay. Do you think that he has any idea that you're doing this in the first place? Once they return to the studio, he sends her on his way and returns home to your residence for the evening.
Martina, I love you.